You're watching KSG News Explainer. In this video, we are going to talk about UN Climate Summit adopting Loss and Damage Fund. This is for GS Paper 3, Environment. The UN's COP27 Climate Summit approved on the 20th of November 2022 the creation of a special fund to cover the damages suffered by vulnerable nations battered by the impacts of global warming. The 2-week talks have whiplashed between fears the process could collapse to hopes of a major breakthrough on a fund for climate loss and damage. Now let's talk more about the fund. The plenary, however, still has to approve a range of decisions, and the final COP27 statement covering a host of other contentious issues, including a call for a rapid reduction in emissions in order to meet the aspirational goal of limiting global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius from pre-industrial levels. The session took a break as Switzerland requested more time to review the text. An informal coalition of high ambition countries called for strong language on cutting emissions, moving away from planet heating fossil fuels, and to reaffirm the 1.5 degrees Celsius goal. The latest draft calls for accelerating efforts towards the phase down of unabated coal power and phase out of inefficient fossil fuel subsidies. Now, talking about the historic deal, conversely, the deal on loss and damage, which barely made it onto the negotiation agenda, gathered critical momentum during the talks. Developing nations relentlessly pushed for the fund during the summit, finally succeeding in getting the backing of wealthy polluters long fearful of open-ended liability. With around 1.2 degrees Celsius of warming so far, the world has seen a cascade of climate-driven extremes in recent months, shining a spotlight on the plight of developing countries faced with escalating disasters, as well as an energy and food price crisis and ballooning debt. The World Bank estimated that devastating floods in Pakistan this year caused $30 billion in damage and economic loss. That's it for this explainer. Thank you so much for watching. To join KSG India courses and to crack the IELTS exam, visit ksgindia.com. You can also get a PDF of this explainer on ksgindia.com. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to our channel.